For the first step, lift the cover up by both handles. Bring the handles together towards the center, ensuring that the center seam folds down and in. Pull the cover up and away from the grill. Next, hold the cover by the handles, align the corners, and ensure that all layers are flat. Then fold in half vertically. Your Storigami barbecue grill cover is now ready to be hung up by the handles or folded to desired size. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all Classic Accessories customers.